Niggas know the vibe, that's worth the 5, yo. Beef, we about to resolve, yo. Pull up on the up, do we have a problem?
Let's focus. All right, y'all, so I wanted to check in. Today is Friday, and these last couple of days were kind of eventful. I'm like trying to get the camera to focus. So my middle child Cameron, he said test positive for COVID. I tested him yesterday and I tested him again today. He is negative. He's fine. He doesn't have any more symptoms. He's like literally back to normal, whatever. So he's good. What we're about to do now is go run quite a few errands. This is my lift. So we about to make our way to the laundromat. So we about to go to the laundromat, and I didn't go to the beauty supply. I need to go to CVS. I have like a lot of little errands to do, and everything is basically in the same perimeter. So I figured I'm gonna take you guys along with me, so the vlog is not just in the house, because you guys know if I'm in the house all day, I do not post a vlog, because I think house vlogs are like kind of boring. So yeah, let's go.
I need to be real quick.
But yeah, so I think like in the house vlogs are hella boring. I just don't want to post those anymore. Like I want to be doing stuff, and then the next time I do post like in the house vlogs will definitely be like when I'm moving. But anyway, before I start rambling, I just want to catch you guys up so y'all can know what's happening in the next couple of clips. So let's no, I'm like, I should be filming all of this. The beauty supply, what I'm doing, what I'm getting. I need to be recording my day. Okay, so today's vlog was honestly a fail. Everywhere I go, it's just like mad people. It's kind of awkward. Like where I live, like out here where I live, personally, I wouldn't really recommend vlogging, but why is my bun lopsided? Let's talk about that. But when I'm back in NYC, I'm a vlog. You want to vlog? Cameron. Yeah, so when I'm back in NYC, I will vlog for you guys. Alright, y'all. Today is Saturday. Focus, camera. So today is Saturday, and we're about to get ready to leave. We're about to head to the city. We're gonna go to Battery Park. It's like Battery Park. They have this new really nice playground that they built going on. So I'm gonna take the boys to the city, and we're gonna go head over there and check it out. I figured like I've always mentioned, I want to vlog way more, but I definitely want to vlog and I'm actually doing stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go to the park and check it out. I just did this really pretty soft girl makeup look. It is gonna be on my TikTok and Reels, YouTube Shorts. It's like literally short, so it won't be on there. But yeah, so we're off, and I'm gonna take y'all on the way. Let's go. All right, we made it to the LI Seminar, and we're about to get on the train. What do you want to say?
I thought there was rats. No.
It is rats down here. So we're waiting for the next train. It's hot as hell down here. And this is what your second time on the train, I think.
Oh.
Alright, it's another train coming. Let's see if this is our train. It's not. It's on the other side of the platform. We'll be back. Kimber, stop it.
Once again, this is back to stop the cowbell, all Manhattan.
Alright, we made it off the train. We're going up the escalator. Y'all, they are a handful. Like a handful. I'm debating if I'm gonna combine this vlog with another one or make this one big vlog. Cameron, don't do that again. push. Go this way. Cameron, come. So now we gotta find the park. This side, this side. Come on. Stop. One adventure. They really my game. Like, y'all gonna see us go all over the place. Go. Oh. Alright. So I'm gonna come back when we get there. Alright, so over here it's a Chipotle, Starbucks, and it's a Rain Reed. So now I gotta figure out which way to the park. Okay, so this is what the park looks like. It's hella cute. My kids is, I don't even know where they went. Oh, there they are. They over here. They want to rock climb. So they is all the way over here rock climbing. And this is like a little mini rock climbing. It's cute. It's not high though, so it's cute. Kaden. Look at Kaden. I don't know why it's taking so long to focus. They want to both go down the slide together. I'm gonna show y'all the view from where we're at. Guys, look at the water. Don't go over there. Get over here. No, we're gonna go to Trader Joe's. Look at the building. You guys can even see like the Statue of Liberty. It's like right here. The statue.
Cameron, you see the Statue of Liberty?
Statue of Liberty. Move back, Cameron. On his boat. I don't know where he went, but there's another one. Buildings and stuff, and yeah, that's pretty much that. It's half from Target. Show my shoes. Some skin shorts, and then show my shoes. That it kind of stinks over here, to be honest. It smells like fish. Alright, so now we're about to get ready to head to our next destination because Cameron wants to be a brat like always. So alright y'all, so we off the next train. We're walking to, we're about to go to Trader Joe's. Yeah. And this is the Trader Joe's, I think, at Court Street. If anybody wondered, like, the destination. The steps for me. That's not a good one. Look at them skating. I don't even know if y'all can see them, but they skating. Y'all, this is the most walking.
Cameron, you could take a bite.
I have done, but you have to pay for those.
They just took it for free.
No, you put your card in and you have to pay for it. We talking about the city bites. When I tell y'all, I'm like tired.
You know who you didn't call today?
Hopefully they go to sleep. Sweet green. Fun fact, I'm surprised I even remember how to get to this Trader Joe's. I only went here one other time. Mind you, we're in Brooklyn, so I went here one other time. Like, one of my coworkers, she showed me how to get here. Shout out to you, girl, because I remember. And I actually made it. So over here it's like a Trader Joe's, it's a Target, and I'm not sure if it's anything else, but I know it's like more stuff in the opposite direction. But I'm I'm gonna take y'all inside and y'all gonna see what it looks like. But it's really cute. And like in the Trader Joe's, they have like different foods and stuff down there. It's cute. Y'all waving to the cops. Come on. Yeah, it's cute. This is like a little alleyway. Okay, we made it to Trader Joe's. Shut up, please. Y'all, Cameron is something else. Go get one cart. Cameron, calm down.
He probably wants to get started.
I didn't even need the real big one.
I'm gonna
Yeah, we could put the camera here.
Cameron, I'm gonna push you. No, I wanna push the
We can push them together. No, I don't need my camera on full. My camera to stay. Put it back.
He wants some grape.
Cameron, stop. Y'all, Cameron is like such a handful. A handful.
Hi guys.
It's not the side.
Not the cameras.
I'm gonna hold that in my hand. I'm gonna show y'all what I normally get. I think it's on this side. So I'm gonna show y'all. Close your brother. Okay, so these are good. I'm gonna eat these. So I'm gonna get Manson and orange chicken. And I like to get the shrimp fried rice. I made shrimp fried rice. Alright y'all, so that's gonna be it for today's vlog. We just made it back home. Guess who's back? Nene boy. He got an attitude. That's why he has this little ugly stink look on his face. But yeah, he has an attitude. I'm about to get ready to make some dinner. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And later.
And if you wonder if I hate you,
I do.